got a welding job to do here. It's a cast iron sign. It's actually in 4 bits, broken into 4 bits. I'm not quite sure how to weld it. I'm going to try and TIG braze it first with the silicon rod. I'm going to weld it on AC with the AC balance set to 10%, so most of the heat will be in the workpiece. Get a couple of tacks on, see how it goes. The biggest problem you've got with cast iron is cracking. We'll give it a go, see what happens. If it does weld nice, I'll bring the camera in and try and get some decent arc shots. I'm going to hit this hard, good 200 amps. Try and weld it really quickly. You don't want to let the heat soak into it too much. The other way is to preheat it with oxy-fuel torch. The idea is not to melt the base metal, you're just using this as a heat source. A little bit. often get asked what settings I use for welding various things. This is an Artec 260 AXT welder. It's got 9 menu settings, and number 3 is the one I found works well on cast iron using silicon bronze. The first thing is I'm welding on AC. We'll go through the settings, start at the beginning. Right, start amps 30 amps, nice clean crisp start. Main welding amps 220, I didn't use anywhere near that. AC balance 12%, just that little bit of cleaning certainly helped it to flow a lot better. Frequency 60 Hz, downstroke we don't use any, end amps 5, as low as it'll go. Post flow, that's gas that comes out when you finish welding, 8.5 seconds. That's the same old weld. It's actually mounted on that corner, so there's a lot of weight hanging on this first weld. What I'm going to do is put some straps all the way around it, be like 3/4 by 1/4 flat bar, drilled and tapped and screwed in here just to give it some more strength. And I'm sure that's going to be fine for another however many years that's been up there, but it'll have been a long time. So I quite like doing repair work like this because it's something that has a fair chance at lasting. Anyway, I've got a little 6-inch bandsaw. I've got no blades left for it. My friend Bob said, oh, I've got some blades, and he brought some blades up, quite a few of them, but obviously they're way too long. And then Bob says, well, that's not a problem, you just shorten them. So we brought him his little jig that he uses for shortening bandsaw blades. There's no end to this man's talents. Anyway, basically the blades are clamped in there and they're just joined by silver solder. So I'm going to have a go at doing that, actually shorten. I'll probably get 2 blades out of this one. It's the same width, same teeth, I think it's 14 TPI, that's what I normally use. So basically I need to cut a length of blade, the right length off that, and then I can practice. I'll probably use this one to practice soldering together with before I actually go for real. I'm going to cut this through. I'll just use an angle grinder to cut it. And we need to cut the length of this, the right length. Which is the blade we're going to be using. Basically got to mind about doing this stuff. Two ends together. As long as it's approximately the same length, if your teeth either way will not matter. There's quite a bit of adjustment on the machine. I'll certainly not get 2, I will get 1 out of it. Right, so I cut that off the same length as the original one. Right, and we've got this bit here to play with. Now what Bob said you do, or maybe 2 or 3 teeth where they overlap like that, you reduce the thickness down to half, so we'll have a go at doing that. It's a little bit like an old filament. The little jig will be handy as well for actually holding the saw blade while you cut it. Great having a spare set of Allen keys up here. And that one goes over the top of that one. You made the bolts different sizes on each one. I bet the bastard did that on purpose. Right. Okay, so that holds them nicely in line. And just clamp it down. And I am impressed with this so far. Bobby's brought us some nice ready mix soldering flux up, so we'll just put a little amount on there. And we'll have a torch lighting so we can get it soldered. It won't take us a little of a heat to do this. I was sure to let it cool naturally. Don't be tempted to quench it. Let it cool down. Obviously the aluminium is going to keep the blade cool on either side. If I was a smoker, I could have a cigarette now, but unfortunately that avenue of pleasure no longer exists. Probably just as well, really. Right, the solder's gone all the way through. It's quite impressive, that. I think we'll have a go at the real one now. Right, I've got one side clamped in. I'll put a little bit of flux in between the joint this time. Right, the solder's gone all the way through. That's quite a nice job. I like it. Unfortunately, bandsaw's kind of in storage at the minute with our salt workshops out, but I will dig it out and put the blade on and give it a try this week and show a little bit of video of it working next week. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always a massive thanks for all the well wishes that are coming in. Incidentally, my dad's back home now. He's back to his normal self, back to his routine, doing really well. Anyway, thanks for watching.